Welcome to IGCSE Chemistry Guide. Dr. Ahmed Eid, your helper to achieve a star. In this channel, you will meet your certified tutor from Cambridge Assessment International Education, and I will help you with personal Excel up to A level also. You can contact me via this QR. Also, you can join my Telegram group to get more videos via this QR. Hey there, students and science lovers. Welcome to IGCSE Chemistry Guide, your new favorite spot to master chemistry with confidence, clarity, and maybe even a little fun. Whether you are just starting your IGCSE journey, preparing for exams, or looking for quick explanations to tricky topics, so this chemistry guide channel is made for you, only you. Here you will find easy to follow lessons, past papers walked through, revision tips and tricks, chemistry experiments and demos, real-life applications that make chemistry make sense. This is not just another lecture, it's chemistry, the way it should be. Visual, simple, and designed for you to understand and succeed. New videos upload every week, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the channel with your friends. Let's do our best to make chemistry your strongest subject and your favorite one too. Remember that chemistry is not hard when you are learning it with the right way. Let's crack it together, one topic at a time. Our available courses will be Chemistry OL Excel and Chemistry OL Cambridge, Chemistry AS Excel and Chemistry AS Cambridge, Chemistry A2 Excel and Chemistry A2 Cambridge. IGCSE Chemistry Guide, making chemistry clear.